There is a spot here, inside your head, that sets off your impulse to cough. Call it the cough maker, and call this the cough breaker. Vicks Formula 44 cough mixture. Cough maker, cough breaker. It takes a strong suppressant to help calm the cough maker, but Formula 44 has the strongest non-narcotic cough suppressant you can buy. Help calm your cough maker with the cough breaker, Formula 44.
And now, a decongestant cough medicine from Vicks. Vicks Formula 44D. It helps unclog your nose while it calms your cough.
My baby's not only got a cough, but also a stuffed-up nose. Poor baby. Here's Vicks Formula 44D. Its strong suppressant calms your cough, plus its strong decongestant helps unclog your nose and lets you breathe easier. You're gonna be all right, baby.
Vicks Formula 44D.